is Kathy Clement with Kathy by Design for the Button Form Club, and I'm excited to show you the third installment of our Year with My Gnomies Year in a Box kit. We've already done the first quarter, which is January through March, and the second quarter, which is April through June. We created our little storage box. And now this quarter, we're moving on to the lazy, hazy, crazy days of summer. And we are making July, August, and September. So here's what comes in this kit. You're going to get 2 sheets each of these adorable 4th of July gnomes. You're going to get 2 sheets each of the cards paper. So you've got this great plaid and all these fun, festive summer papers. Then you're going to get 2 sheets each of the August cards. Just look at these bright colors and fun images for summer. All these great popsicles and treats. That's awesome. And then 2 sheets of the August icon papers. I just love these little guys in their swimsuits and bicycles. Too cute. Then we're moving into back to school with September. We're going to do, you get 2 sheets of the September cards paper and 2 sheets of the September icons. This is going to be darling. All right. You also should have your July, August stickers, and you'll get in your kit this month the September, October, November, December sticker sheets. So we're just going to work with these September stickers here. All right. Then you're going to get a sheet of the teal and lime green grid paper, a sheet of the red and green. You're going to get 2 sheets of this flock paper, and then you're going to get 2 sheets of the Party Up with this blue dot, and this has the balloon gnome on the back. All right, so that's a lot of paper. Then you're going to get 3 sheets of this heavy grocery bag 12 by 12 cardstock. This is what we use to build our base. And you're going to get 6 sheets of 12 by 12 white cardstock. You're also going to get 3 adorable little silver tone charms. We have a star for the 4th of July, a flip-flop for August, and look at this school bus for September. Too cute. And then 3 of our little flower buttons that we've been using on the spine every month. And then 2 yards of red and white baker's twine. So that is the kit. This is going to be so cute, and our box is getting cuter every month as we add a new quarterly folio. So hang around and I'll be back to give you a sneak peek of what we're making. Okay guys, look how cute this is getting. Each one that we add just makes it cuter and cuter. I'm loving this little set. Let's take a look at our summer quarter folio. We got these sweet little dudes on the front. 4th of July, back to school, summer, this wonderful title strip. Here's the spine with our buttons and a bus charm, school charm, flip-flop charm. So that is all finished up. Our baker's twine closure. And then we open this up and the fun starts with July. So this is a pull-out page. I've used a paper clip to hold it shut. We've got a little pocket right at the start with our little 4th of July gnome and a wonderful little mini folio. Of course, there's room in the pocket for photos. This little flap has our little barbecue and gnome. So cute. And this pulls out. So look at all the room that you have for photos here. All kinds of fun little flips and flaps. Adorable gnome paper. So cute. And then just to secure it so it doesn't flap around, you just take the little paper clip and there you go. Then we move on to August. Pocket on the front. Little popsicle folio with these adorable little tags. A nice tall glass of lemonade and a popsicle gnome. And this tucks in this pocket. And this is one of our little back and forth folios. More of these great popsicles with a little sticker action up here, a pocket with the summer sticker, and then a couple of little couple more, a journaling card, a little mini folio, and of course room in the pocket for photos. Then this flips this way. And we've got this great flip-flop paper. Here's our summer title that we've turned into a pocket. Another great journaling card. Another pocket over here. You can put a photo up here if you want. And then these are just little mini folios that we made from the collection. Those go in this pocket. And then this flips out one more time, if you can believe it. And here's our little guy. He folds down so you can put a big picture here. And then this is a pull-out page. So you've got room for 1, 2, 3, 4 photos here. And then you've got this great page here with just all these super summer icons. So that is a fun month. And I didn't do a lot to this because I really wanted you to be able to put those great summer photos in there. All right, flip it open. Here's our box pocket in the center, back to school. And this turned out so cute. We made one of our nifty little quad folios. Look at these guys at the lockers. Reading is fun. And then pockets and tags, little flip pages, hidden pockets with photo mats. So cute. And these are so easy to make. They're really wonderful. And then these little guys, I just had scraps left. So I went ahead and used my scraps. I left these guys on there because I think they kind of go with it. I like them anyway. So little mini folios or photos or journaling there. This little flap one, so cute. You can do it either way. Then this back to school with the apple. This actually has a little pop-out action going on, which is fun. And this opens out like this. This is a big folio for such a little piece. So you can get a bunch of little photos with friends in there. Super cute. So that is September. Oops. Let me see. This goes in here. Then this goes in here. And these all go in the box. Love them. Here's another nifty little journal with room for a good size photo, room for a 4x4 photo there. So that tucks in there as well. And then of course our calendar storage over here so you can write down all those important dates. You can use your white if you want to back these so you have room to write the dates, or you can do photos here. It's up to you. I left it like that so you could decide. And then it all just folds up and ties shut with our baker's twine, which goes so well with everything this month. And there it is. Goes in the box. 3 out of 4, guys. We just got one more quarter to do. That will be in August, and I can't wait. All right, guys. Now you know you can order this at Button Farm Club. I believe everything is ready to ship out immediately. So as soon as you place your order, your folio will be shipped. If you want to join the subscription club, you can still get the first and second quarter folios along with the third. Laura at Button Farm Club will take care of all that. I'll put a link and price and supply list and all of that in the description box below. All right, guys, that's it for me. Kathy by Design, Kathy Clement for the Button Farm Club. Go get your craft on.